2024 PSLE Paper 2, Question 7. The table shows the prices of tickets for a tour. Adult $24, child $18. Package A, 1 adult plus 1 child $36. Package B, 2 adults and 1 child $56. Part A, Maine bought 2 adult tickets. How much did she pay in total? Okay, this part is straightforward. She bought 2 adult tickets. Each adult ticket is $24. So $24 times 2 is $48. This is our answer for part A. Now let's go to part B. Malik bought tickets for 4 adults and 3 children for the tour. What was the least amount that he could have paid? Now we have a few options here that we need to go through in order to know which is the cheapest. Okay, let's start with package A. Package A has 1 adult and 1 child. Now let's buy 3 sets of package A. That will give us 3 adult and 3 child, and we're short of 1 adult. So we plus 1 adult ticket. Alright, now let's calculate this first. 3 sets of A, that's $36 times 3, plus 1 adult, which is $24. This is 108 plus 24. This will give us $132. Okay, now let's work on package B. Package B is for 2 adults and 1 child. Since we need 4 adults, let's do 2 sets of package B. How much will this cost? Package B costs $56 if we get 2 sets. But we need to add 2. We have 4 adults and 2 child. We are still short of 1 child, so we need to buy 1 child ticket. 56 times 2 plus 1 child ticket, which is $18. Okay, this works out to 112 plus 18 is $130. Now, there's another third possibility. Package A, we can do 2 sets of package A. That will give us 2 adult plus 2 child. And then 1 set of package B. So that will give us 4 adults in total plus 3 children. Right, so let's calculate this. 2 sets of A, so $36 times 2 plus 1 set of B, which is $56. And now this will give us 72 plus 56. So 128. Now we have 3 options here, 132, 130, and 128. And the question wants us to look for the least amount he could have paid. So our answer is $128.